Most of you are probably aware that Linux has been around for the PS4 for quite some time now. Right from the 1.76 firmware, we have had PS4 Linux. Recently, we have had like the newer iterations of Linux, like the PS Gen 2 came in and the PSXITA Arch. So most of the owners of PS4 have been able to run both of these variants of Linux, the Gen 2 and the PSXITA Arch, without any problems. But some of us haven't been so lucky, right? And that's why you're here. Some of us are PS4 Slim owners, especially the 2000 variants and the 1200 variants, I guess, have been facing issues running both the variants of. Yesterday I found the actual answer, the only answer I guess, to the whole problem. Most of us who have had issues running the PS4 Linux have seen that once we load the PS4 Linux loader on our PS4, it just goes completely off and doesn't respond to anything. In some cases we see that the white light or the purple light is still running, but there's nothing on the screen. In most of these scenarios, we find that we are left with a black screen without anything on it, and no matter how many hours we wait, nothing happens. So this video is gonna be the one-stop solution for every one of you who have faced these problems with PS4 Linux. And I hope most of you watching this video already have your USBs or any other drives, whatever you're using for this particular tutorial for Linux ready, and you already know the basics, how like making your hard drive, or for that matter SSD or anything, any USB drive bootable with the Linux image of your choice, and you already have everything in order. If you haven't, there are tons of tutorials on YouTube, and for that matter even written tutorials on various blogs. Please go through them and make sure that you've done the basic steps, that is making your hard drive bootable with an image of Linux, that is a PS Gen 2 or a PSXITA. The first step on your computer, go to the link I have added in the description, and you'll find this PSXAX page where you'll find this PS4 kernel, and thanks to the developers involved in this. So what we have to do next is download this particular file, PS4 kernel. I've already downloaded that file and I have it right here on my desktop. Okay, I'm going to extract it right here, and thanks to all the developers who have worked behind this, you've done a great job. And once you have extracted the files, you'll find two files, the BZ image and then initrams. So we're going to use this file for our tutorial. Okay, and now connect your USB drive which has the Linux image in it to your PC, and there'll be a small partition like 100 MB or I guess that will open up, and it'll have two images like the one we have downloaded already here, the BZ image and initrams cpio.gz. Now go back to the files on your desktop and click on this BZ image, copy it and paste it onto your drive. Okay, so it says it has replaced this. Now close this, and now go back to your PS4 and connect the hard drive, or for that matter any other USB drive which you have used for this particular Linux installation, back into your PS4. Okay, now once you're on your PS4, make sure that you have connected the hard drive or the USB drive, and at the same time a keyboard and a mouse. You could use a USB hub for that purpose. I'm gonna go to my settings and go to my exploit menu right here and run Linux Payloader. Let's see what happens next. You can see right now on my screen I do have the Linux booting up. And if you did everything perfectly, this is what you would see next. And also make sure that you do have the purple and the blue light blinking alternatively on your PS4. The whole process of booting up can take like a maximum of 5 minutes. As you can see, I've already booted into it, and as you can, and it's perfectly functional. I could go into the menu, check the browser out, and you can see a little lag here. To avoid this lag, make sure that you use a pretty fast SSD or something like that. So this was a quick tutorial on running Linux on your PS4 without any problems. Especially this is a fix video for those who have been facing the black screen problem on Linux. I hope you like this video, and if you do have a better way of fixing these problems, or maybe running the Linux much better or in a faster way, please do let us know in the comments, and I would like to know your suggestions about this video. And if you do face any other problems while running Linux, or for that matter anything related to the PS4, please do post in the comments below. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and keep watching for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.